Asalamualikum everyone, and welcome back to English with Zafarzai. In this video, I want to share with you some acronyms that you can use both in writing as well as in speaking. You will look advanced and like a native English speaker if you use these acronyms, which I want to share with you in this video. Well, alright, the question arises, what are acronyms? Okay. Acronyms are actually the abbreviations that are formed from the first letter of the phrase or from the combination of the words. If you use these acronyms while you speak, you will communicate efficiently and concisely. Let's dive and explore all these acronyms which I want to share with you in this video. Watch the video till the end. Don't even miss a second of the video. You will sound more advanced with the use of these acronyms which I want to share with you in this video. Let's dive in. Here's the first acronym, ASAP. What do you think? It stands for what? Alright, this stands for as soon as possible. This is an acronym that you can use instead of the full sentence as soon as possible. Just write down while you text to somebody ASAP. And this is an acronym. Of course, give it a try, use it. For example, please send me the report as soon as possible. Instead of as soon as possible, I've just write down there ASAP. Great job. This was the first acronym that you're gonna have to remember and use it in your speech to sound more advanced. Alright, here is the second acronym, FYI. What do you think it stands for? What? Great. This stands for your information. Okay, this is an acronym. You can use it especially while you are texting to somebody on your messenger, your phone, your WhatsApp, whatever you are using. Give it a try. FYI, for your information. Instead of the full sentence, you're gonna have to give this one a try. FYI. For example, for your information, the meeting has been rescheduled. In this sentence, the FYI stands for your information, and this is an acronym. Here's the next one, CEO. Right, this is an acronym and it stands for Chief Executive Officer. Right, you might have seen it a lot in many places, and many of you may know this already. Chief Executive Officer. Instead of the full name or phrase, we're gonna have to write CEO. It's abbreviated form, which is the acronym. For example, the Chief Executive Officer will be speaking at the conference. The CEO will be speaking at the conference. Great job. Use these acronyms if you want to sound like an advanced and like a native English speaker, especially if you are texting to your friend, to somebody else. Try to use them while you text. Instead of the full phrase, you can give these acronyms a try. Of course, you will look professional. This is the next acronym, DYI. This stands for do it yourself, right? Whenever you want to tell somebody that you're going to have to do that particular thing by your own, then instead of the full phrase, do it yourself, this is actually a sentence. You can just say DIY. You can write, you can type DIY, which stands for do it yourself, and this is an acronym. For example, I am going to try a do-it-yourself project at this weekend. or I'm going to try a DIY project at this weekend. Both are correct. But if you use the acronyms one, you will sound professional like a native English speaker. Here's the next acronym. FAQ. Right. This stands for Frequently Asked Question. This is actually the abbreviated form of the phrase frequently asked question. If you want to sound professional, then you're gonna have to give the acronyms a try. Of course, FAQ, frequently asked question. For example, please check the frequently asked questions section on your website. Or if you want to use acronym, you can say, please check the FAQ section on your website. Great job. Give the acronyms a try, and I'm sure you can become like a native English speaker in no time. Here's the next acronym, BTW. Many of you may know this already, but some of you might have not seen this yet. What do you think? What does it stand for? Right, this is the acronym for by the way. If you want to say or write or type something on your WhatsApp, sending messages to somebody, or whatever you want to say, by the way, you can just type BTW. Great job. This is the acronym for the by the way phrase. For example, by the way, did you hear about the no project? Or BTW, did you hear about the no project? Great job. This was the acronym for the by the way, which is BTW. Here's the next acronym, VIP. Right. Many of the people use VIP in their daily conversation, but they don't know what does it mean actually, right? Here I'm going to share with you. The VIP is the acronym for the phrase very important person, right? Now you know. If you want to say a very important person, you would actually use the acronym for this, which is the VIP. Right. For example, the very important person's guests will have access to the very important person's lounge, right? Or the VIP guests will have access to the VIP lounge. Great job. All right, here's the next one. LOL. What do you think it stands for? What? Okay, whenever somebody tells you a funny thing or you see something funny, then you might have laughed on that particular thing loudly. Then you can say LOL, laugh out loudly. Great job. This is so funny and it's used among many people, native English speakers, many times. Probably all the time use this acronym, which stands for laugh out loudly. Great job. Give it a try, and I'm sure you will also sound like a native one, because whatever native English speakers use, if you use, there's no difference between you and a native one. For example, that joke was hilarious. I laugh out loud. Great job. This was an acronym used by many, probably most of the people who speaks fluently. Of course, if you want to speak fluently, sound like a native one, give this acronym a try, which is LOL. Laugh out loud. Okay, now it's your turn, right? I'm going to share with you two acronyms. You're going to have to put their full phrases in the comment section below, right? You're gonna have to find it, and if you know it already, then put it down immediately in the comment section below. So the first one is OCD. If you know, put it down in the comment section below, so I will be there to check it out. The second one is USA. Right, put it down in the comment section below. I will just have a look at it and I will just appreciate it much. Right, that's it for this video. I shared with you plenty of acronyms, and I hope now the concept of acronyms is clear for you, and you know many of them, the essential ones that you need to know if you want to talk to a native English speaker, especially if you want to type something. You can give these acronyms a try. You're gonna have to learn the basic ones of them to understand the native English speakers as well, and to sound like a native English speakers as well. Great job. Acronyms are the key to a successful English learner. You're gonna have to give these acronyms a try. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel. Click on this bell. Right, once you are done with these three things, memorize the acronyms I shared with you in this video, and I will see you in my next coming video, right, with a helpful lecture. Just be active on this channel to improve your English speaking skills dramatically soon than ever before. Great job, and I will see you in my next coming video. Take care. Bye.